Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today is July 3rd. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. So when you guys watch this video, this holiday might had already passed, but I do want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. I hope everyone had a great holiday. And I am currently in the car once again. I did notice that I tend to start my vlogs here in the car more just because the inside of the house has a lot of commotion going on, so it's more quiet for me to be here talking to you guys, so I hope you guys don't mind. But I'm also currently on the way to Dollar Tree. I'm trying to find some 4th of July party supplies, but now that I'm thinking, they might be sold out just because it is the day before and everyone is shopping for supplies. So I guess we'll see where we go. But then later we're going to the park because where I live here in my town, they tend to host this 4th of July gathering party, I guess you can say, where they shoot fireworks and they have a lot of food trucks. So I'm super excited for that. So let me just stop talking and let's get started. So we got all of the party supplies and now we're on the way to check out some fireworks at some fireworks stands. I mentioned this in my last 4th of July vlog, but we did have a dog named Mason that passed away unfortunately on July 4th, 2020. So we honor him every year with a firework. So that's what we're about to do now. We're about to go find some cute fireworks. So let's go do that. We stopped at Dutch Bros real quick to grab a drink since it's super hot outside. I just got this strawberry smoothie and he got this drink called Firecracker Rebel and it's super cool. It's 4th of July theme, red, white, and blue, and it looks so yummy. So I bought this chocolate cake. I'm just gonna make it into a brownie and decorate it like the American flag on top, but I'm running out of time, so let's see how this turns out. We'll see how it goes. So let me show you guys a quick OOTD. So I'm just wearing this crop top that I've had for a long time, but it has the American flag on it, so it's so cute. And then these shorts are from Target, and I'm just wearing some red knee-high boots and then some white ribbon on my hair. So now we're all ready to party.